47-year-old Angelica Kadosky is grateful she can do this. This active mom of two was suffering with hip pain due to arthritis.
Wake up, pain. Tie my shoes, pain. I stopped doing yoga, which is one of my favorite things to do. Yes, because I was in so much pain.
Kadosky knew she would need a hip replacement, but feared she could not continue yoga without causing damage to her new hip.
Certain activities, yoga, Pilates, water skiing, things that I think could potentially put them at high risk for dislocation.
That's why Dr. Craig Delavalli suggested a dual mobility hip replacement. Unlike a traditional hip replacement where a single ball moves inside a socket, the dual mobility system has an additional implant.
You've got either a metal or ceramic ball, a larger ball on top of it, and a metal liner which goes into the cup. So it's a slightly more complicated bearing system.
But the system reduces the risk for dislocation, which is the #1 reason for hip replacement failure, and it can
potentially provide the patient with better range of motion to do certain activities that normally we wouldn't be enthused about them doing that require higher degrees of range of motion.
Such as yoga. Kadosky did the dual mobility hip replacement and is feeling better than ever.
I have the life I had before, and I'm very happy.
I'm Marty Salt reporting.